Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Google account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gmail account website. Now from this page, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to enter your credentials, after which you will be taken into your inbox page. Now, in order to proceed with managing your Google account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Your Google Account. You will then be taken into your account management page. Now, from this page, you can check for any alerts related to security on your account. If you find such alerts, you can click on Check Activity. This will then show you the suspicious activities related to your account, which you can review by clicking on Secure Account if the device shown is not your own. You will also find various privacy and personalization settings, and you can also change various other options. You can click on Personal Info if you wish to change any of your personal information. From this page, you can change your profile picture if you want, and also your name, your date of birth, and your gender. You can also edit your contact information, including your alternate email address and your phone number. Underneath the security option, you will find various account security features, from which you can set up two-step verification, change your password, and also find where your device is actively logged in. You can also view your saved passwords within your Google account by clicking on Your Saved Passwords. Now, there are various other options to connect your Google account with other accounts through the People and Sharing option. Within the payment and subscription plan, you will be able to add your payment methods and purchase various features using Google Pay and also your credit or debit card. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about managing your Google account within your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.